Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous hand. Isaiah 41:10. Dear Lord, your word says that prayer of faith shall heal the sick. We come to you today in faith, asking you to heal us from this raging storm of disease. We receive our healing by faith. We ask you to bring healing, comfort, and peace to our bodies. Calm our fears and let us experience the healing powers of your love. In Jesus' name, Amen. My COVID-19 prayer to all of us in the whole world who have suffered losses and people who have died and people who are suffering from this disease. We offer you our prayers and let God into your bodies and souls, and may you find peace with the Lord. Amen.